Hello traders, welcome to your Bitcoin updates for Thursday the 21st of September. Now we can see that the 4-hour divergence that we were talking about yesterday on the previous video between this high, and if we add in the RSI, those lower high on the RSI, has now essentially played out and been completed. So what you're looking for from this, ignore all the people that go, oh my God, look, we've got 4-hour bearish divergence. You're going to be going all the way back down to the lows. No, absolute nonsense. All right. You had your pivot high, then you create your divergence on the next high. Essentially, you're just looking to take the pivot low. So that divergence, the 4-hour divergence, now has played out. There hasn't been a change in market structure, a change of character at all from this just yet, because we've just literally just swept the low and are now bouncing. But it does seem to me as if this trend that we have been in, okay, higher highs, higher lows, we now seem to be forming a range from there now. So I would expect this period of consolidation. If, of course, we do start to close candles back down below that 26,600 area, then yes, you would start to look for a deeper retrace, which my target really for this is 25,200 to 25,400 before this finds next support. So it's quite simple. Right now, we are holding this value area high. Any closes back within this value area, you look for the POC. I doubt that's going to bounce us, to be honest. I think it will probably trade through that, and then you would be looking for a move all the way back down to the range. You're just continuing to trade the range that it's given us. If this now holds and we start to close back above that 26,800 area, I think that there's no reason why this can't continue within a range here, and then maybe even over the weekend or tomorrow we get some spikes up to take the high once again. Remember that we do still have that NPOC at 27,900. There is a NPOC, a daily NPOC up there, and we also have the 4-hour NPOC up there. So something to pay attention to. Now looking at trading this as more of a range rather than the trending move that we have had previously. Going down here onto the 30-minute time frame, once again, it's just very, very simple. You had that sweep up the daily open that took out local highs. You had a drop back down, losing your daily open back into VWAP and then a drop. So you have that VWAP open drive set up again. That came into play, taking out the previous day lows and then taking out those lows that we put in on Monday after that initial rejection from the 27,200 area. If we go down onto the 15-minute time frame, then once again, it's kind of clear here. Okay, you have the move up on daily open, you create this 15-minute order block resistance, and then a further drop to take liquidity at the lows. So for now, I think for the remainder of the day, I would look for this to hold and start to come back in towards this range. We can now draw this essentially as our new range. We could maybe even bring that down to around about here. Look to where your value area is. We're just outside that value area at the moment. And we have that POC around about that daily open. If this is to continue lower, like I say, starting to close below that 26,600, I think that this could start to accelerate back down, and we'd then be looking at 25,400 to 25,200 as this being like you can see kind of the momentum of this starting to increase. And unless this can hold, break a little bit of this downwards pressure that is there, then we could quite easily be seeing that continuation lower. Not too much more to update on this chart. It's the same levels as usual. Okay, so if this is to move up 27.9, if it does move down from here, yes, there's the POC, but more likely, I think a full retrace back down towards the lows of this range. My overall idea is though that this will just continue to be range bound and consolidate today and going into tomorrow. So yeah, that was a quick update. I don't think there's too much more to add on to this. So have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.